Russia, Republic of Tatarstan, Alabuga district. The Kastamonu plant is located here in the Special Economic Zone. Kastamonu Group is one of the global leaders in the wood processing industry. The company is one of the 4 largest wood processors in Europe and the 7th largest in the world. The group's 18 plants, located in 7 countries, produce about 5 million cubic meters of wood-based panels. By exporting goods to 90 countries around the world, Kastamonu provides employment for more than 5,700 people, and the company's annual turnover exceeds 1 billion euros. Alabuga attracted the attention of Kastamonu in 2008, and a year later, a cooperation agreement was signed. In 2012, the construction of one of the largest MDF board production plants in Europe began, and the grand opening took place 2 years later. Alabuga was chosen as the investment site for good reason. The Special Economic Zone provides excellent infrastructure and economic conditions for business growth. A flexible system of taxation, engineering and transport infrastructure financed by the government. The Alabuga Management Company helps residents to resolve problems, from personnel to administrative. Convenient logistics was also one of the most important criteria when selecting the location for the plant. The main raw material suppliers are located within 300 kilometers of the plant, and the product consumers within 1,000 kilometers. Investment in the construction of 2 MDF and laminate flooring production lines amounted to 450 million euros. The primary and auxiliary equipment at the plant is supplied by the world's leading manufacturers. The first production line, the largest MDF press in Europe, was supplied by the German company Simpelkamp. The second MDF press was supplied by Diefenbacher. The HOMAG production lines enable up to 35 million square meters of laminate flooring to be produced per year. The production capacity of the plant exceeds 1 million cubic meters of MDF boards per year. With such figures, the Kastamonu plant is the largest manufacturer of MDF, not only in Russia, but also one of the largest in Europe, where production is located under one roof. Kastamonu carries out the entire production cycle, processing of industrial wood into chips, production of glue and resins at its glue plant, 2 impregnation lines, production of MDF HDF boards, melamining, lamination and production of glossy panels, laminate flooring production, melamined MDF boards are a very practical and the most in-demand material for furniture production and interior decoration. They have great consumer properties. All panels meet the requirements of formaldehyde Class E1, meaning they contain a safe level of formaldehyde. Kastamonu produces panels with reduced formaldehyde content in conformance with the requirements of CARB Phase 2 and the EPA. The panels come 6 to 40 millimeters thick. Melamined MDF boards are available in a thickness of 16 and 19 millimeters, but can be made in other thicknesses according to customer order. The Kastamonu plant also produces glossy MDF panels. They are represented by a wide range of decors under the trademark EvoGloss. The panel's front surface is coated with a special PVC film, while the back is covered by a white melamine film. Kastamonu has improved the production of moisture-resistant panels that can be used in high-moisture environments. The product is quality certified. Uncoated and laminated MDF also conforms to the requirements of international CE standards. There are over 200 different styles available. The laminate complies with many international standards and has certification marks in Europe, Russia, Belarus, and Kazakhstan. It is one of the 100 Best Goods in Russia Award for quality. All decors are developed by the interior design companies Stadt Decor, Interprint, and Impress, which are well known in the industry. The best things are the most familiar ones, those things that harmoniously fit into our life. Kastamonu produces modern finishing materials that improve the standard of living, give a sense of comfort, and bring change for the better. With Kastamonu, living better is easy. 2 years after the plant was opened, the company became the leading Russian exporter of laminate flooring and one of the top 3 largest laminate suppliers to the domestic market. The work of the company was recognized by the Russian Union of Industrialists and Entrepreneurs, and Kastamonu was a winner in the contest Russian Business Leaders in the category Best Import Substitution Project. About 60% of the products are sold within Russia. 40% is exported to more than 20 countries in Europe and Asia. Kastamonu can now deliver goods by all means of transport: dry cargo sea container, railway car, and gondola car truck. Quality certificates, a well-established sales system, and a clear pricing policy enable Kastamonu products to successfully compete on the markets of any country. Caring for the environment, resource and energy conservation, and minimizing environmental risks are a priority for the plant. The plant is focused on the processing of industrial wood, subject to sanitation cutting, and wood waste. The total consumption of raw wood materials is 1.3 million tons per year. The main supplier is Tatarstan, but wood also comes from the neighboring regions. Kastamonu has been a consistent adherent of international environmental standards for several decades. The Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, and the Program for the Endorsement of Forest Certification, PEFC, monitor compliance with international standards in preserving and restoring forests. Kastamonu works closely with these organizations and raw material suppliers that meet the strict certification requirements of the FSC and the PEFC. Thanks to Kastamonu's arrival in Tatarstan, forest preservation work has intensified, which positively impacts the region's environment. Products have received the Blue Angel certificate, which attests to their full compliance with the highest environmental requirements and quality standards. During the construction of the plant, it was decided to apply the world's leading practices to minimize its environmental impact. Highly efficient gas cleaning units have been installed at the plant. New generation wastewater treatment equipment has been installed to ensure a closed-cycle water system. Wastewater is treated in several stages and then reused in production. Every year, 50 million rubles are allocated for the implementation of environmental measures and programs. Kastamonu's investment project in Tatarstan has created over 800 jobs in production and another 2,500 in related industries. The high level of competence of the staff, highly developed social aspect, and advanced technical equipment make the plant a very attractive employer. Every year, the plant implements a range of measures related to staff retraining and professional development. The corporate culture of the company is based on integrity, mutual respect, and care for the environment. Kastamonu employees regularly participate in environmental, social, and charitable projects, supporting and augmenting corporate values. Today, Kastamonu has not only established high-tech production, but also become one of the leaders of the wood processing industry in Russia. This was made possible by carefully developing all stages of the project, its highly professional staff, and support from the government of the Republic of Tatarstan and Russian Federation. The company does not plan to rest on its laurels. In accordance with its long-term strategy, Kastamonu will continue to develop its production potential, creating the best products for its customers in Russia and around the world.